Tears are words the heart cannot express. Only eyes washed by tears can see clearly. If you have not cried, your eyes cannot be beautiful. Tears water our growth. Tears fall in my heart. Tears of joy are like the summer rain drops perished by sunbeams as tears fall on the town. I can see in your eyes. I can see in your faces. I can see you cry. But what I want to say, there's no reason to cry. Do not, in the name of peace, go in the streets and riot. Tears are the body's raindrops of emotion. Tearless grief bleeds inwardly. Tears are the symbol of the inability of the soul to restrain its emotion and retain its self command. Let tenderness pour from your eyes the way sun gazes warmly on earth. Tears are nature's lotion for the eyes. The ways see better for being washed by them. If you have tears, prepare to shed them now. Tears are the summer showers to the soul. Tears may be dried up, but the heart never. Don't cry when the sun is gone, because the tears will not let you see the stars. Tears are God's gift to us, our holy water. They heal us as they flow. Crying is cleansing. There's a reason for tears, happiness or sadness. A tear that runs down a believer's cheek is more beneficial than 1,000 raindrops on the earth. That gracious thing made up of tears and light. It is not tears but determination that makes pain, bearable. The soul would have no rainbow if the eyes had no tears. When you see tears in my eyes, you see it's not about the wins or the losses, it's about the opportunity. Empath, empathy feels these thoughts. Your heart is in my heart. Your lose is in my prayers. Your sorrow is in my soul, and your tears are in my eyes. It's better to cry than to be angry because anger hurts others while tears flow silently through the soul and cleanses the heart. It's a warm wind, the west wind, full of birds' cries. I never hear the west wind, but tears are in my eyes, for it comes from the west lands, the old brown hills and April's in the west wind and daffodils in life's journey. You will meet all sorts of characters. Always remember, never shed a tear for the heartless, corrupt, or insensitive